In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads for local businesses in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to online advertising or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will provide you with a clear step-by-step process to get started right away. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to the official Google Ads website. Once you're there, you'll find yourself at the gateway to efficiently attracting more customers and boosting your business online. Google Ads is a powerful tool that allows you to connect with potential customers who are already searching for services and products that you offer. So naturally, it's a great place to start if you're looking to expand your local business's reach. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, go ahead and click the Sign In button. If you don't already have a Google Ads account, you'll need to create one. It's a relatively straightforward process, similar to setting up an account for other online platforms. Just make sure you have a Gmail account ready since it's necessary for signing in. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads homepage where all the magic happens. Here, look for the campaign option and give that a click. Campaigns in Google Ads are like your individual advertising efforts. Each campaign can have different goals, audiences, and settings, so it's important to know exactly what you want to achieve with each one. Next, click on New Campaign. This is going to be the foundation of your advertising effort, where you establish the objectives that matter most to your business. Google gives you options right at the start to customize your campaign according to different goals, such as increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or generating leads. When prompted to choose a campaign type, you'll typically want to go for options like leads or website traffic, especially if you're running ads for a local business. Selecting leads is ideal if your goal is to gather customer information for follow-ups, whereas website traffic should be chosen if you're focusing on bringing more visitors to your website or landing page. These campaign types align well with typical local business objectives, helping you connect more effectively with potential customers in your area. Remember to choose options that match your specific business goals. This initial setup is critical because it influences how Google will optimize your ads and who the ads will reach. Throughout this process, consider what actions you want potential customers to take once they see your ad. And there you have it, a concise guide to taking your first steps in running Google Ads for local businesses. With these foundational elements set up correctly, you're well on your way to creating effective online advertising campaigns that can help grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.